So they take the planning out of organizing games for your next event. Park Place JA. I'm not good at planning games myself, so joining me now are Daryl Rowe and Nathan Parkins, game gurus with Park Place JA, and most importantly, Wolmerians.
Of course, of course.
Yeah, an interesting story. Daryl and I went to primary school together, high school together, so it's great to see you again, my friend.
Thanks for having us.
All right, so
yes.
Park Place JA, I've been there once. I don't remember what it was for some years ago, and I had a good time. Yes. How did you come up with this business model?
Okay, well, first thing, Park Place JA is the premier pop-up board games cafe in Jamaica. We host games nights and do private events, and also we do board game rentals as well. The idea.
Well, as a group, we used to play board games together, and eventually, a member of the crew, my sister Nadia, decided, let's open it up to everyone, because we realized that this option was lacking as far as entertainment goes, entertainment options for Jamaicans. So we decided to keep our first pop-up games night. We pooled all our games together, you can see them here, and we had our first one 2 years ago.
I figured your sister was the brains behind this. But a great initiative. What has the response been like for the past 2 years?
Oh, well, the feedback has been very positive and very overwhelming. Actually, the first night was really what inspired us to continue, because, as you said, this is an entertainment option that isn't very popular out there. Besides the usual, weekend scene of partying, going out to eat, and so on. It's something more chill and relaxed that you can enjoy with your friends and family. Yeah,
we're seeing different shots of different games. The only games I can think about are Taboo, Pictionary. You have a host of games. What are some of the most popular games outside of Taboo and the usual Monopoly and stuff?
Okay, well, as you said, that we do have a large collection of games, close to 100 games.
Hold on, 100?
Close, yes. This is just this is just a sample of what we have here.
Wow.
Yes, so we have many things ranging from the simple, as you said, classics like your Monopoly and Scrabble, to more complex and contemporary games like we have Game of Thrones, Rick and Morty, Catan, Bang, all manners of games.
So Nathan, people actually come to play these games?
Well, they don't come for any specific game. A lot of times they just come for a new experience.
Okay.
And at Park Place we offer that.
In terms of the cost, you say you do private events, you do pop-up events. In terms of the cost for attending one of these pop-up games night, what does that look like?
Well, there's a small entry fee. Right now it's $1,000. All right, you pay and you have access to all the games.
For how long? Because I remember as a child growing up, I used to go to the game shop and I had to pay like $50 for 20 minutes.
No. For the entire night.
Okay, so you do pop-ups. Is that at a specific location or?
No, we've used various different locations so far. We've mainly been in the corporate area. We've had a one-off in the grill. All right.
How was that?
Oh, that was very good, because it was really reassuring to know that the word had spread not just in Kingston, but somebody also in the grill had requested us, heard about us and requested us, and that was really good. Okay,
so now that people know about Park Place JA, how can they get in touch with you to organize like a private event? How much would that cost also?
Okay, well, you can contact us. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, and we're on Snapchat, and our handle is Park Place JA. And the cost, we can work out the cost. Just contact us and we will work out.
Okay,
so depends on the size of the crowd.
Okay, yes. So we have a few games that we're going to be playing this morning. Yes. I'm really looking forward to Twister because Sakina is here. And she's very competitive, as you guys know. But once again, Wolmerians, Nathan Parkins, Daryl Rowe, my good friend.
Okay, thanks.
All the best.
Yes.
And thanks for stopping by. We'll see them in a little bit because we have a host of games. You hear them say 100 games. We may not play them all today, but Jesus Father, Lord, Jesus Father.
What is about competitive?
Mediator, please. Mediator, please.
No, we don't know mediator. We're gonna
no,
win.
mediator.
And we're gonna win like Casey. Woo!
Mediator, come. Yeah.
Casey! Fortis! We're gonna win.
They're just like